Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we will continue, as you can see, Unlucky Morpheus Unfinished, the fourth song of this album. I'm really looking forward to this. Actually, I've listened to a lot, like these first three songs, I've listened to them a lot these last couple days because I absolutely love them. You also told me, I think Unending Sorceress is about Final Fantasy, and yeah, there's so many great gaming soundtracks because I was talking with someone. I think it's not a like a super far-fetched combination, like to be a gamer and also make amazing music, because there is a lot of amazing music in gaming actually. Anyway, this song means caged bird, as far as Google Translate could tell me. So let's go. Okay, man, I have to say this one so far I feel like has the most ominous, can you call it gothic vibe to it. But man, like Fuki's, like this really interesting high note by Fuki sounds amazing. And I mean it has, like it just continues with this album, extremely heavy paired with extremely beautiful, and it just works so well. Nice. Man, that was weird. In a good way. I mean, I feel like Sheeran's screams sound even more edited than in the last songs. But yeah, I don't really mind it. It gives it a very, like monstrous feeling. yeah, I'm really impressed. Like, yeah, the actual solo is amazing as well, but like the riffing beneath it, it's very, very solid and yeah, rhythmically engaging. Yeah, just amazing. I want to listen to that one more time. And then this absolute classical part just fits. Okay, before we get to the end of that part, because I feel like it will go really heavy after that. But yeah, I always love it when like heavy songs like this break it up in between and just take almost everything out. Even Fuki's vocals are very there's like this muffling effect on it. And just strings in the back. But yeah, great bands always do this and it always hits you. And yeah, because it's great. Like from an old record player or something. There's also like these weird rising sounds in the back. Yes. Amazing song. I really, really dig this song as well as the other ones. Man, I mean, this album. Whew. And Fuki, I really have to say, she's a really great singer. You can tell because here at the end, she's going to this very high note in her head voice. I think that's how it's called. I'm not like a singing expert or anything. But she goes to that all the time in the head voice, but at the end there's also one time where she just belts out that note and it's really powerful sounding. Yes, man. I just love the whole, I don't know, this one had a bit more cinematic feeling, if you might call that, and I'm really digging that. They always sound very epic and grandiose, but this one even more felt like it could be a movie soundtrack or something. Really, really great. Looking forward to the complete album. Just great. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.